When olives have been crushed within a few hours of being harvested, the oil typically ends up with a high DAG or diacylglycerol ratio. Here at Evolution, that ratio must be over 90%, which shows that the oil has also been handled and stored properly. A ratio lower than this could indicate old or mishandled oil. Let me quickly cover how diacylglycerols are formed from triglycerides. Triglycerides, or triacylglycerols, are the main components of oils. They are E-shaped molecules that have a glycerol backbone with 3 fatty acids attached. Diacylglycerols are formed when one of those fatty acids breaks off of the triglyceride, creating either a 1,2 diacylglycerol or a 1,3 diacylglycerol. Now, even if the olives are crushed with the utmost care, a small amount of diacylglycerols are produced, most of which are the 1,2 diacylglycerol. They only have a negative effect on the oil if the 1,2 diacylglycerols are getting converted to 1,3 diacylglycerols due to really poor processing and storage. 1,3 diacylglycerols decrease the quality of the olive oil, so we do not want that transition to occur. Now, that being said, this transition does slowly occur naturally over time. And that's why we suggest that you use your extra virgin olive oil up within about 12 to 18 months from its crush date. But if we want a low amount of 1,3 diacylglycerols, why do we look for a high DAG number? Well, like I said, we represent diacylglycerols in oil as a ratio of 1,2 diacylglycerols to total diacylglycerols. In other words, the less 1,3 diacylglycerol, the higher the ratio and the better the oil. Ultimately, your extra virgin olive oil should taste fresh and flavorful if it has been handled and stored properly, which indicates a proper diacylglycerol ratio and a high quality oil.